Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan, and today I'm partnering with Cleancult to share 5 tips on keeping your home super clean. Tip number 1 is make cleaning part of your daily routine. For me, that means doing a load of laundry every single day, just because Garrett and I create plenty of laundry where that's kind of sustainable. So whether we're doing towels on Saturdays, sheets on Sundays, jeans on Mondays, kitchen rags on Tuesdays, so on. Things are getting done every day and it's not piling up. And when I am drying my laundry, I like to use these wool dryer balls from Cleancult. So they're made out of 100% New Zealand wool by a really great team of women in Nepal. So purchasing these is helping create and maintain sustainable and well-paying jobs for people who need them. And these are great to use in your dryer because they help your clothes dry a little bit quicker and reduce the static cling. So my second tip goes along with the chores I hate. Do your dishes as you go throughout the day. I work from home, so I can create a decent amount of dishes. I like to cook a lot, so I'm not just like making frozen pizzas. Usually I like cook meals that require like a cutting board and a saucepan and a skillet, and the dishes add up really quickly. And some days, if I'm just not in the mood to do the dishes, which is a self-sabotaging behavior, I'll let them wait until the end of the day when my sink is just overrun, which is not ideal. Can't recommend the Cleancult dish detergent enough, and it smells like lemons or lemongrass, and lemon is one of my favorite scents. I love everything to do with lemons. I've got a cat named Lemon. So the star ingredient is a saponified coconut oil, which is really great. It's known to be, antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial, so your things are getting super duper clean, but it also tackles grease and grime so well. I was a little, curious just to see how coconut oil-based products would work, and I am completely a convert. I'm blown away by them. And if you go on Cleancult's website, you can actually see every single ingredient that they have in their dish soap that makes it so great. So my next tip is keep your bathroom in tip-top shape at all times. Cleaning the bathroom used to feel so gross to me just because it's a bathroom. But that's when I was cleaning it like once a week. Now every single day I'm spraying it down, I'm cleaning the toilet bowl, I do a quick spritz in the shower whenever I get out, just to keep it at its nicest and most pristine so nothing ever gets gross about the bathroom. And for that, I am also using the Cleancult multi-purpose cleaner. It comes in this great glass bottle. It's shatter resistant, which was definitely something I was worried about using glass containers because I tend to be clumsy, but this has been dropped. I don't recommend dropping it, but it has been dropped maybe 10 times by now, and it's survived everyone. My fourth tip is to get a small junk basket. I have a little one that sits on the coffee table, and if there's just like clutter anywhere throughout the day, I'll toss it in my junk basket. As soon as the basket's full, it's like a rule, it has to get emptied and things have to get put away. But it's a good way to kind of keep yourself from meticulously like having to think about cleaning and putting things away and breaking your focus throughout the day. Just toss it in the junk basket, and before you go to bed or as soon as the basket fills up, put it away. My final tip is to never abandon a task without cleaning up after that task. For example, when I film, I create kind of a mess setting up my tripod and my camera. I've got the lights. I kind of take over the living room, and it's so easy for me to be done filming and like go and make coffee and kind of decompress, but I just have to make taking down my filming station part of my routine. So you just have to get in the habit of cleaning up after yourself immediately. And I think some people like innately have that in them. I don't. So those are the cleaning tips I have for you. I wanted to speak with you a little bit more about Cleancult as a brand before I hopped off this video, because they're seriously so cool. I know I talk about sustainability a lot, about thrifting, reduce, reuse, recycle here on my YouTube channel and on my blog, but they're really like walking the walk, like doing things I could only dream of. Your first order comes in these wonderful glass bottles. They're reusable, and then every refill after that is sent in a cardboard container. It's like a milk jug kind of container where you just pour your refills. You get this handy silicone funnel, and you can pour your refills directly into your glass containers. And the material is 100% recyclable, and when they ship, they're offsetting that footprint by planting trees. They also have dishwasher tabs. I don't have a dishwasher, so those are not necessary for me. I do everything by hands on the dishwasher, and laundry tabs. The tablets come wrapped in a material that looks and feels a lot like plastic, but it's actually polyvinyl alcohol, which is an odorless and completely biodegradable compound. It's really nice that they care so much. A lot of brands kind of claim to be green, they claim to be eco-friendly, by doing the bare minimum, but Cleancult really goes above and beyond. Follow them on social media too. I think they're a cool company. So thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye!